Hi, welcome to BNBForms. Today I'll show you how to add a booking widget to your WordPress site. We'll be embedding the script into the header, but don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functioning widget. So, without further delay, let's jump right in and get your booking widget set up. In WordPress, you can add a booking widget script to the header or footer of your site. We recommend using a free dedicated plugin to make the process easier. As the plugin is free, installing it from the WordPress repository is as easy as ABC. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the plugins section in the left-hand menu of the dashboard. And select Add New from the submenu. In the search bar at the top right, type the name or keyword of the plugin you're looking for. In our case, you should type head footer code. Now you see there are many options you can choose from. I'll go for this one. So once you've found the plugin, click the Install Now button. WordPress will automatically download and install the plugin files. After installation, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. Great! Now let's move to the next step. When you hover over the Tools menu, you'll notice a new submenu called Head and Footer Code. Clicking on it will open the area where you can embed your code script into the head section. That's exactly what we'll do now. Now let's head over to your BNBForms dashboard, and once you've added all your accommodation types, seasons and rates and configured all the necessary settings, you're ready to go. Click Widget Script and copy the script. Next, paste the script into the head code section and then save your changes. Now let's check the front end. When we visit the site, we can see the Book Now button has appeared. Let's walk through the booking flow together. We start by picking the dates and selecting the number of guests. Then I choose the accommodation I like. If needed, I can explore all options and book multiple units, but this time I'll confirm my reservation right away. Next, I specify the number of people, enter the guest's full name, choose a rate, and select any additional services. Oh, and I have a coupon code. Let's apply it now. This is my discount. Great. You can also expand the price breakdown to review all the details. After that, fill in all the required fields. Next, choose your payment method. And complete the payment to confirm your booking. Perfect. And we're done. And here is an example of the email the admin receives after a client completes their booking. One last thing, by editing a line in the script, I've adjusted the position of the Book Now button. Looks much better, don't you think? And that's it. We've successfully added a booking widget to the WordPress site and tested the entire booking flow from start to finish. With the BNBForms booking widget, your site is now ready to offer a seamless booking experience for your guests, from selecting dates to confirming reservations. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy booking!